a baby.
Yeah.
Don't remember.
Those are adult marimba's.
They're scared.
They are scary, aren't they? Look at the baby.
It doesn't scared.
He doesn't look scared. He looks happy. What's that?
Rainbow glider.
That's a gum spudlet.
What's the name?
Yeah. What's that?
Rainbow doppler.
Very good. What's that?
Twin.
Yes. What's that?
What's that?
That's a blimble sprint.
Rainbow spring.
What's that?
Honk.
Flonk?
Honk.
Yeah.
See, Mommy.
What's that?
Crab.
A crab? What about a munch fuddler?
That.
Yep.
That. What is it?
That's a munch fuddler.
No, not on this one.
And what's that?
Twinkle.
That's a frothled hump dumbler.
That's what I done there.
Very good.
One is hitting
Puzzle flash?
He's hitting him.
Yep, there he's kicking one. And there he's gonna ride him on his shoulders.
He's hitting him.
He's gonna ride on it, yeah. They don't seem very nice. What are those?
There's a grande. Yeah.
That's a grande?